The world is indeed full of peril, and in it there are many dark places, but still there is much that is fair. And though in all lands love is now mingled with grief, it grows perhaps the greater. J.R. Tolkien, The Fellowship of the Ring. These words from Tolkien, a master of exploring the human condition, remind us that darkness and light coexist. This is especially true within the human mind, a vast and intricate landscape where both noble intentions and sinister impulses reside. Understanding this duality is crucial to comprehending the complexities of human behavior, particularly the darker aspects that often remain hidden beneath the surface. The human mind, with its intricate web of thoughts, emotions and motivations, has captivated philosophers and scientists for centuries. Recent advancements in neuroscience have provided unprecedented insights into the biological underpinnings of our thoughts and actions. Through brain imaging techniques, researchers can now observe the neural pathways activated during various cognitive processes, shedding light on the mechanisms that drive our behavior. However, despite these scientific leaps, the human mind remains an enigma. We are still unraveling the mysteries of consciousness, memory, and the intricate interplay of nature and nurture that shapes who we are. It is within this labyrinth of neural networks and subconscious desires that we must delve to understand the darker facets of human psychology. Emotions, powerful motivators of human behavior, can drive us to acts of great altruism and unimaginable cruelty. Psychologists, through years of research and clinical practice, have developed frameworks for understanding and managing these complex emotional landscapes. They equip individuals with the tools to navigate the often turbulent waters of their inner world, helping them cope with trauma, manage stress, and cultivate healthy relationships. However, the same psychological principles that empower individuals to heal and grow can also be exploited for nefarious purposes. This is where the realm of dark psychology emerges, a field that seeks to understand the tactics of manipulation, persuasion, and control employed by individuals who seek to exploit others for personal gain. Dark psychology, a term that sends shivers down the spines of many, delves into the abyss of human nature. It's the study of the darker aspects of human psychology, the motivations and tactics behind manipulation, persuasion, coercion, and cruelty. It's about understanding why some individuals prey on others, utilizing charm, deception, and intimidation to achieve their aims. The term dark doesn't necessarily imply evil intent, but rather a lack of empathy, disregard for social norms, and a willingness to exploit others for personal gain. It's about understanding the tools and strategies employed in these darker aspects of human interaction. Section 5, The Faces of Manipulation, From Fiction to Reality. Literature and history are replete with examples of individuals who embody the consequences can be when manipulation takes root. In the real world, figures like con artists and cult leaders utilize similar tactics, exploiting vulnerabilities and twisting perceptions to gain power and control over their victims. These individuals are adept at identifying and exploiting the weaknesses of others, often leaving a trail of devastation in their wake. Their ability to manipulate emotions and perceptions is a test of financially ruin. And promises of exorbitant returns lured investors into his web of deceit, demonstrating the seductive power of manipulation and the devastating consequences it can have. His story is a cautionary tale about the dangers of blind trust and the importance of skepticism. By understanding these historical and fictional examples, we can better recognize and guard against manipulation in our own lives. Section 6. The seeds of darkness, latent tendencies in all. It's important to note that the capacity for darkness resides within us all. We all possess latent tendencies toward manipulation, selfishness, and even cruelty. The difference lies in the degree to which these tendencies are expressed and the choices we make in how we interact with the world around us. Understanding dark psychology is not about excusing harmful behavior, but rather about recognizing the potential for darkness within ourselves and others. It's about developing a keener awareness of the tactics of manipulation and the importance of critical thinking in the face of persuasive individuals or situations. Section 7. The Milgram Experiment. Obedience and the Abdication of Responsibility. One of the most another person were instructed to increase the voltage with each incorrect answer. The setup included a fake shock generator with switches labeled with various voltage levels from slight shock to severe danger. The results were shocking. A significant majority of participants continued to administer shocks, even when the learner expressed extreme pain simply because an authority figure told them to do so. This demonstrated how powerful the influence of authority can be, overriding personal morals and ethics. The Milgram experiment highlighted the power of situational factors and the human tendency to abdicate personal responsibility when following orders. It raised important questions about the nature of authority, conformity, and the potential for ordinary people to commit extraordinary acts of cruelty under certain conditions. This experiment remains a crucial reference point in understanding human behavior and the psychology of obedience. Section 8. The Bystander Effect, the Power of Inaction. Another unsettling phenomenon within the realm of dark psychology is the bystander effect. This social psychological theory suggests that individuals are less likely to offer help to a victim when other people are present. The diffusion of responsibility, the belief that someone else will intervene, often leads to inaction, even in situations where it's clear that someone is in need of assistance. The tragic murder of Kitty Genovese in 1964, where numerous neighbors witnessed the attack but failed to intervene, tragically illustrates the bystander effect. Understanding this phenomenon is crucial for fostering a sense of personal responsibility and encouraging individuals to take action when they witness injustice or harm. Section 9. Shining Light on the Shadows. The importance of understanding dark psychology. Exploring the shadows of dark psychology is not about succumbing to cynicism or despair. It's about recognizing the hidden forces that shape our thoughts, emotions, and actions. It's about arming ourselves with knowledge, awareness, and the tools to navigate the complexities of human behavior. By delving into the depths of dark psychology, we can uncover the mechanisms of influence and control that often go unnoticed. By understanding the tactics of manipulation, we can better protect ourselves and others from being exploited. The power of situational influences can sway our decisions and actions in ways we might not even realize. And the latent tendencies within us all can be brought to light, allowing us to confront and manage them more effectively. We can become more discerning judges of character, able to see through facades and recognize genuine intentions. More resilient in the face of adversity, standing firm against the winds of manipulation and deceit.